Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ria, and as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be explaining why I have not been posting for a month and a half and where I have been. And I'm pretty sure everyone's like, Ria, nobody cares. It's not like I have 10 million subscribers that people would care as to why I have been missing for a month and a half. But something happened and I need to rant about it. It'll make sense, I promise. But before that, I need to show you something. I got this Kit Kat strawberry flavor. I've never had a Kit Kat with a strawberry flavor, so I will get into the video. But I am going to taste test this first in front of you guys. I'm gonna eat it for the first time right now. It tastes pretty okayish. It just tastes like a chocolate I've already had before, but I can't remember the name. It's like something I've already tasted before. It's nothing special, honestly. But the strawberry flavor is just mid at best. But it was good. So, actually getting into the video. Now, I know I only have 12 subscribers, two of which are my parents, and probably nobody cares about where I've been or what happened, but I care and I want to share this. So I will because it's my YouTube channel and I can do whatever I want with it. So, what happened? I filmed a video. I filmed a reading vlog in specific for this book. It's How to Kill Your Family. I filmed a reading vlog for this and I posted it on my story as well, on my Instagram story. Oh, by the way, I've been dead on Instagram as well. I've not posted anything on that as well. No posts, no reels, no stories. I've been gone from all social media platforms for a month and a half. So, anyway, I filmed a reading vlog for this book and it was pretty good making it, and it took me about 2 weeks to finish this book. So it took me 2 weeks to finish the entire video, and the video was about 2 hours long. I know the uncut footage was 2 hours long before all the editing. After editing everything, it was 31 minutes and 25 seconds long. Guys, editing Ria here, and basically, I just got a call in this section. So this entire part just got muted because of course it did. So basically what I'm saying over here is that I always keep getting calls when I'm filming, and it's so annoying that this is not the first time. I always keep getting calls when I'm filming. It's not even funny anymore. So here's where the problem starts. I put that into CapCut, all the clips, and these clips are 2 hours long because I had been filming this in the span of like 2 weeks. Like I said, it took me 2 weeks to finish the book. So I had a lot of footage, like way too much footage. And I probably messed up over there. I probably shouldn't have had that much footage. But anyway, I did. And I put all that footage in CapCut and I started editing it. And the clips had some audio problems. My audio in some clips was delayed, and my audio in some clips was coming faster or coming earlier. Like I don't know, there was just some problem with the audio, and I kept fixing it every single day, and every single day there would be some different problem in the audio. So I don't know what was going on, and I kept fixing the audio every single day, and I could not even edit the clips because the audio was all over the place, and I didn't know what to do. So I was just trying to fix the audio for a week. I should not be spending that much time fixing the audio for clips in my video, but I was. And okay, so the thing is, I'm trying to explain this as easily as I can. Just imagine I fixed the audio for clip today, okay, at this time, afternoon of this day, and then I open CapCut the next day, and the audio is messed up just automatically. It's messed up on its own, even though I fixed the audio. I come back the next day and it's all messed up. How? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I don't know why that was happening. And I tried to fix it. And eventually, after 2 weeks, it finally got fixed. All the clips, all the audios, I finally fixed it. And the amount of mental breakdowns I almost had because of that, not even funny. But we're gonna forget about that. We're not gonna talk about that. Then it took me a week, another week, to edit the entire video. You know why? Because CapCut and my phone was crashing out. Okay, crash out of the century. My phone and CapCut. It kept crashing every single second. I'm surprised I didn't throw the phone out of my window. Like, I almost lost my mind. I'm losing my mind right now. This is why I needed to rant to someone. I don't have anyone to rant to except you guys. My 10 followers. If you guys still follow me, if you guys are still subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And if you're watching this video, thank you very much. But yeah, anyway, after my phone and CapCut crashed almost a million times, I finally finished editing it. Guess what happened? There were audio problems again. I literally just fixed those problems. How are there audio problems again? After a million crash outs, after a million mental breakdowns, finally, finally, I finished editing the entire thing in maybe 25, 27 days. And then I went to save it. And it was like, you have no storage on your phone. And I was like, oh my god, I have no storage. So I cannot explain to you how many videos, how many photos, how many PDFs, how many files I have deleted from my phone. I don't know what else to do. Like, I genuinely do not know what else to do because I deleted everything, and I mean every single thing except all the important stuff. But after some time, I managed to export the file finally after like 2 days of me just deleting files off my phone. I finally exported it, and guess how long it took to export that file? An hour. No joke, it took an hour to export that 30-minute long video. It shouldn't have taken that long. Okay, I have exported a 28-minute long video and it did not take that long. It only took like 5 minutes to export a 28-minute long video. I don't know why it took 1 hour for that 31-minute long video, but anyway, it took 1 hour long. And I was like, finally, I'll be able to upload this video. And it got saved. Okay, and I went to check my gallery, my albums, whatever it's called on your phone. Okay, I went to check in my files, and it was not there. A minute of silence, right? I checked everywhere. I restarted my phone. I switched off my phone. I did every single thing. And it was just not there. Okay, I don't know what went wrong. And I did this multiple times. I did this like 7 or 8 times in the span of 5 days. I tried to export the video 7 to 8 times, and the same thing kept happening. The file would export, and there would be a message on the bottom: file saved successfully in your phone. There was no file on my phone. Where is the file going? What is going on? I don't know. The file is missing. Did the file grow legs and walk away from my phone? I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't understand. If my phone is not able to export the video, if my phone is not able to save my video, then just say, okay, you don't have to play tricks with me. I wasted like 7 to 8 hours just trying to export this one video, and it would not export, it would not save in my phone. And the funny part is, when I used to check my storage after exporting the video, the storage would somehow increase. Like, for example, if it's 60 GB before exporting, I press export, it took 1 hour to export, then the message would come, file saved successfully. There would be no file. But then when I went in my storage, in the settings of my storage, it would show 62 GB. Okay, so it is taking up my storage, but there is no file on my phone. So where is the file going? What is going on? Yeah, that's what happened. That is all that happened. I tried for a month and a half, literally. Started filming this reading vlog on maybe Feb 1st, I think. Feb 3rd, 4th, something like that. Okay, I started filming at Feb in the start of Feb. Okay, I start filming in start of Feb, and I finished filming around Feb 14, 15. And today is like March 17, I think. So I've been trying for a month to export this video and to post this video. And I know some people might wonder why I spent so much time on this video, why I tried exporting it so many times. Okay, look, this video was really, really good, and it was my first reading vlog, and I was so excited for it. Like, I was hyped. I was so excited for this. I thought, oh, I was like, this is going to be amazing. Okay, and it was such a good video. I know I'm just complimenting myself, but it was genuinely a really, really good video. And it was a good book as well. I had so much to say about this book. And also, I made a million jokes. I made so many good jokes, but those jokes won't see the light of social media, unfortunately. And that makes me so, so sad. But yeah, I really wanted to upload this video, and I really wanted to put that reading vlog out there, but I couldn't. And I have to tell you, when I deleted all the clips of that video, a part of me died. Literally, no exaggeration. Like, I was so sad. I deleted all the clips last night, and dude, it physically hurt me to do that. Okay? And oh, also, by the way, I tried exporting it to my laptop as well. It was not working. I tried everything, everything you can name. I tried it all. I tried it on my laptop, I tried it on my phone. I did everything. There was nothing left to do. Yeah, that was pretty much it. That is why I had not been posting for so long, because I was trying so hard to upload this one video. Okay, this is all I had going on for like a month, and I could not upload it. So that's just sad. And I don't think I'll be doing a reading vlog anytime soon. I know I told in my first video, in my first like vision board video, that I'll be doing reading vlogs. But seeing the condition of my phone, I don't think my phone can handle a reading vlog. Like, genuinely, it cannot. But I do have a lot of books with me over here. I have this book. It's called Welcome to the Hyungnam Dong Bookshop. I probably pronounced that wrong, but we're not gonna talk about that. And I bought these two books as well recently, maybe like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, maybe. But I haven't read it because, okay, see, I haven't read these books because I wanted to do a reading vlog for this as well. But I could only film this after I exported, after I uploaded this video. So, this book, Cleopatra and Frankenstein, this book, and also this book, Yellow Face. Dude, this looks so good on the camera. Wow. Okay, but genuinely, it looks so nice. Do you see this? Do you see this? Whee! It has this annoying sticker. I hate this, dude. I cannot. How do I remove this? It's not even coming off. Bro, I think it's inside the book. Whatever. But I have these two books. Three books, actually. I have these three books. And I was planning on reading them way, way sooner. But I wanted to make a reading vlog about these after I uploaded this reading vlog. But as you can see, that was not possible. So I'm gonna just read this without filming, and maybe do a reading review. No, sorry, what's it called? A book review. Yeah, a book review about this. I'll make a video on just a book review. Maybe. That's pretty much why I had not been posting for a month and a half, because I was so stuck up on this one reading vlog that I could not do anything else. And honestly, I know a lot of people might wonder, why didn't you just make another video like this video over here? I could have just made anything else. Like this video over here, I could have just done another video and posted like a normal video, and I'm pretty sure no one would have cared where I was for the past month. But I just wanted to let you all know what was going on, and I kind of feel like I wasted time on this one reading vlog. I'm not going to do that again. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked watching me rant and absolutely lose my mind over this. But yeah, I'm gonna be reading these three books, and maybe, okay, I'm saying maybe, Maybe I will do book reviews on this. I also have some other stuff planned out, other really exciting. I have so many ideas, but the thing is, I don't have the motivation to film now that all this happened after my phone crashed out on me. My phone gave up on me. Like I have never given up on my phone, but my phone gave up on me, and that is just disappointing. Ideas, I have some really good ideas, and I really want to film some stuff. So I hope you subscribe because there is some exciting stuff coming up, and I promise I will upload regularly now. I won't take a month break. At least I hope I won't. Okay, I won't. I promise. I hope you like this video, and I also will be uploading some reels on Instagram as well. At least I hope I will. So go follow me on Instagram. It will be over here. Yeah, go follow me on Instagram. If you watched until the end, go comment down below a scissor emoji so I know that you watched until the end. And once again, I'm pretty sure I said this a million times, but thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you have a great day or night. Until next time, peace.